David Summerhour here for Coastal Marine Center in Nokomis, Florida. And today we're going to sea trial a nice 2017 187 Hurricane. This boat's in great shape. It's got a lot of seating. It's Coast Guard rated for 10 people. Got a Yamaha 4-stroke outboard on the back of it. The boat has plenty of power. It's got a 4-bladed stainless steel prop, which gives you the fuel economy of a 115, but gives you a lot more power than that. It's also got built-in Garmin GPS in the dash with GPS speedometer along with the regular speedometer, depth finder, you name it, it's got it. Full set of gauges. Let's take this for a ride here. Notice it planes immediately. If you'd like more information on this vessel, call Coastal Marine Center, 941-485-9500. Ask for John or Dave. We'll get you out in this boat today.